Hello everyone, welcome all of you for the today's webinar. I hope you all are fine. As you know, every week we organize the webinar on a new topic to enhancement of your busy knowledge. Today's webinar topic is branch management, comparing online and offline model. As you know, busy software provides many features which belongs to your business to easy your business life. HOBO management is very important feature in busy software. If you have multiple branches at a different location and you want to control the branch office from the central location or head office location. So busy is suitable for your business. You can easily manage your data of multi-location of multi-branches in busy software with very easy features. So in busy software, we have two types of model to maintaining branch management, online and offline model. In today's webinar, we will understand these model in detail. Let us start the webinar, and if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask at the end of the session. You can send me your queries in a Q&A, and I will reply all the queries. So now I am starting the webinar. So please listen carefully this topic, and you can send me your queries at the end of this session. Now we are starting. So in the first slide, what are the session objectives? Number one is overview HOBO management. Number two, understanding online model. Number three, understanding offline model. Number four, comparison online versus offline model. And number six is practical demo in busy. So I will show the practical demo after completing this presentation. And in the last is Q&A, question and answer session. So after completing this presentation, you can send me your queries. I will handle your doubts and questions. I will reply your queries. Now the first slide is HOBO management. What is HOBO management? So let us understand this topic. Head office and branch office management refer to the practice and processes involved in effectively managing the operations and coordination between a company head office and its branch office. Overall, effective head office and branch office management is essential for maintaining a cohesive organizational structure, ensuring consistency in operations, leveraging local market opportunities, and achieving the company's strategic goal. So this is the HOBO management definition, and let us understand this definition with the example. Suppose I started a company from Delhi. After some time, I captured Delhi market. Now I want to start a new office in other location, like in Gurugram in Haryana, to capturing the Haryana market. After some time, I went to start a new office also in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, to capturing the Uttar Pradesh markets. Now we have one head office which is located in Delhi, and we have two branches which are located in Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. I have to maintain the data of accounting, inventory, sales, purchase, expenses, taxation of all the branches and head office. So after recording the data, I can compare branch-wise sales, expenses, branch-wise profit, and other things. Now in this case, branch will maintain their own data, and head office, the central location will maintain the whole data, the complete data of all the branches. So this is the process of head office and branch office management. Let us move to the next slide. Now next is, what is head office? So this is the head office. The head office is the central administration center of a company or organization. It is a typical where top management such as executive and decision maker are located, and the head office is responsible for formulating and implementing the overall strategy, direction, policies, and objective of the company. So the head office is the main location or central location of the company. The server system are located at the head office of the company, and the head office control all the roles and authorities of branches. The HO will compile the complete data of the company, he can head office can compare the branches data, the branch expenses, the branch profit, branch wise sales, purchase, and other operations. So this is the role of head office. Next is, what is branch? A branch office is a subsidiary or extension of a head office located in the different geographical location. It is established to carry out specific functions such as sales, distribution, customer service, or local operations. Branch offices are typically smaller than the head office but play a crucial role in expanding the company's reach and servicing customer in different region. A branch office or a regional office is a part of company in different location or different region. The branch office manage the local operation of the company in a different region, like sales operation, servicing operation, and other operation. So the branch office report to head office for their functioning, and so the role of branch is to expand the market of in new areas. So this is the role of branch office. This is the process of head office and branch office. Let us move to the next slide. Next, HOBO management in busy software. So in busy software, we have many features. You know that you can manage head office and branch office operation and very smooth features with very smooth facilities. Let us see what are the features we provide to maintain the HO and BO facilities. Next, number one is complete branch management module. So means we have entire feature to maintaining multi-branch management. It is a complete solution for branch management. Number two, both online and offline models are available. So if internet connectivity is good at all the location, then user can maintain branch management with online model, which will online or real time. If internet connectivity is not good at any location, then user can maintain the branch management with offline model, which will offline or sync based, means branch office has to sync their data to head office, and the head office will receive the data from the branch office. We will discuss this point in detail in the upcoming slides. Next is auto merging of branch data in case of offline model. So in offline model of branch management in busy software, automatic auto merging facility is available, and branches are sync the data to head office, and HO can merge the all branches data in a single company, and HO can analyze the branches data. HO can compare the data. Next, branch wise branch user wise checks and control. So head office can control the branches operations. HO can provide the roles and right to branch office according to their role. These feature is also available in busy software. Next is branch wise voucher series tagging. So in busy software, we tag the voucher series in branches. So branch can post the transaction in on voucher series only. Consolidated data at head office. The consolidated data is available at the head office, and head office can analyze the reports of all the branches. So consolidated data we can view it at HO location, head office location. Number 7 is branch wise all data reports filtration. So in busy software, many reports are available which you can view as per your need. In all the reports, branch wise filtration option is available, and you can view any branch report through this filtration option. You can compare all the branch performance also. So this feature is also available. And next is branch wise statutory report. Suppose branches are located in a different state. So as you know, in India, cess or surcharge is implemented in some states. Then branch office has to maintain the statutory according to the state GST compliances. So in busy software, this provision is also available. Branch can maintain the statutory, the GST compliances according to the state conditions. Comes to the next slide. The next is understanding online model for branch management. So see this image. The first is a head office, and 3 you can see in the branches. This is the online model image, and real time is showing. So in busy, online models means the data of head office and branch office will be managed in real time, regardless the location. Any transaction posted at a branch or head office location will be reflect on the server immediately, because this is real time. In online model, the data will be stored only at the server location, and user from a different location operate the data on the server from their location. Online models require the server to be online, and the connectivity requires a static IP. So this is the condition of online model. So let us understand this with the example. Suppose we started a company from a Delhi location, which is a head office of the company. Our server system will be located at the head office location, and we have to all the configuration in for branch at a head office location, like we have to create branches, we have to create branch users, material center, and voucher series. All things we have to configure for the branch location. Tagging all things we have to configure for a branch office, and after the configuration of branch office at a head office location, we have to install uh, uh, after configuration we can connect the branch office location to the head office location. So in online model, we have to install SQL database on the server system, and we have to register the EC license of busy. EC means enterprise client server license. So because the head office and branch office feature is available in enterprise edition only, so user have to buy the enterprise edition, and database is SQL. So the model name is EC, enterprise client server. This model is suitable for this branch management module, and uh, user have to install SQL at the server location at the server system, and register the EC license of this. After completing the configuration, user have to configure the static IP also for connectivity of multi-location. Now after the all the configuration like static IP, branch configuration, head office configuration at a server location, at server system, your server is ready. At branch location, system will connect the server company. Branch system can access the server system data through static IP, and branch can log in through branch user. So branch will post all the transaction from their location, and but the data will be stored at server location only, the head office location. Server must be online in online mode. So this is the condition: server must be online. So this is the process of online model in busy software. Comes to next slide. Understanding offline model for branch management. So see this image, is the button is showing data sync. In busy, offline model means the data of head office and branch office will be managed through data syncing. Whatever transaction is posted at the branch location, it has to be sent to server location through data syncing. Then data transaction will be reflect in the server's data. In offline model, all the data will be stored at server location, and only the data of branch office will be stored at the branch location. Static IP will be required for connectivity. In offline model, the server is not required to be online, uh, as the data will be stored at offline at the branch office, and the branch office will sync their data with the head office, and when internet is connected. So this is the condition of offline. When internet is connected, then branch office can sync the data to head office at a head office location. After receiving the data from the branch office, data will reflect in the server company, and head office can access the branch data, and head office can analyze the branches data. After collecting the data from all the branches from different location branches, data will merge at head office location. So in offline model, no need server to be online. Comes to the next slide. Comparing online model versus offline model. So in this slide, we will compare the online and the offline model of branch management in busy software. What are the differences in these models? Number one, server must be online. Server does not need to be online in offline. So if you are using online model, then server must always be online. And in offline model, server does not need to be online. Means in online model, you have to start server every time, server to be online every time, because in online model, branch office will access the server's data from branch user, and then branch office can start the working. If server is not online, then branch office cannot log in the company in online mode. Okay, and next is in offline model, server no need to be online, because branch office maintain the data of their location offlinely, and when internet is connected, BO can send the data to head office. So this is the condition of offline model. Number two is data will be reflect immediately at server and HO location. And in offline model, data will be reflect after syncing on server HO location. So this is the second comparison. Data will be reflected immediately at the server location in online model, because data is real time, and in offline model it is sync based, and data will be reflected after some time after syncing. Number three, complete data will be stored only at a server location. So in case of online model, the complete data, the whole data will be stored at server location only, server system only. And in a case of offline model, complete data will be stored at a server location also, but BO location will also store their data on their location. So this is the third condition. Next is only SQL database can be used. So if you are using online model of HOBO management, then only SQL database can be used. But in case of offline model, only SQL database can be used at HO location, and SQL or Access any database can be used at BO location. So this is not compulsory for BO location. At BO location, at a branch office location, you can use SQL data, you can use Access data. There's no condition. But at a head office location, you have to use only SQL database. This is the condition of offline model. But in online model, only SQL database can be used, no Access database. And the last comparison, EC model can be used at both HO and BO location, because this feature is available in enterprise edition only. So only EC model can be used at both location in case of online model. In case of offline model, EC model at HO location and ECES EM can be used at BO location. So Access database, SQL database doesn't matter. You can register the license in BO location like EC, ES, EM, any license you can register. But addition will be enterprise. But at HO location, only EC model is compatible. So this was the comparison. Let us see the practical demo in Busy Software. Now, let me show you the practical demo. So this is my company. Let me start. This is my Busy Software. So we have two companies, one is online and one is offline. Let me start with online model. So this is HOBO management online company. Let me show you the configuration. So the super user is admin. This is my online company, an online HOBO company. And after creation a new company in case of online model, what configuration you have to do? So first of all, you have to go in configuration, feature options, and go in enterprise feature. In this slide, you have to enable this feature. The second last feature is multi-branch detail. Enable multi-branch detail. This option you have to enable. So for enabling, you have to you can specify why, and after specifying why, the branch detail button will show you, and you can click on this button. See, this is the window for branch wise company detail, and you have to configure the branches like this. Let me show you the steps. So first of all, you have to click on add branch master. You have to specify the branch name, enable these three options and click the save. So your branch will create. Let me show you. This is my branch A. You can see the branch address, all the details you can specify here, and you have to tag the material center of branch A, C, and the voucher series, all things you have to tag and save the details. This is my branch A. Next, branch B, you can see this is online model, and you can see the address is changed uh, of all the branches. And number 3 is HO location. So this is the HO branch. So we have to create HO branch also, because we have to maintain the HO transaction. So that's why we have to maintain, we have to create a HO branch also. So we have 3 branches. One is HO, one is branch A, one is branch B. These 3 branches we have, and we have to save this configuration. After this, see, this is the administrator user. So admin user has all the rights. So see, this is a sales voucher, and now see all the voucher series are showing here: branch A, branch B, branch HO branch, and see all the head office are also showing. All the material center also showing from the administrator user, because this is a super user of the company. Let me log in this company with the branch user. So see, the branch user is like, let me log in with branch user. So this is my company, and I'm logging in with branch user. So branch user is A. See, A is belongs to branch A. Now I'm creating sales voucher. See, only branch A is showing, and see, only branch A material center is showing. So we can select the branch A series, we can select the branch A material center in the transaction, because we logging with branch A user. Let's log in with branch B user. So B is the username and password, and see, now this is my transaction. This is a sales voucher. Only branch B is showing, and material center you can see only branch B material center is showing. So we can select only branch B material center in the transaction. Let me log in with HO branch. So HO user, let me log in with is H. C only HO series and HO material center is showing. Let me open the report also. See, only HO reports are showing, not B branch A, not branch B. And we can filter all the reports according to the branch user. Now I'm logging in with administration user. So see, admin A is the password, and let me show you the user of branches. So these are the users. See, A user belongs to branch A. Admin user is super user. B user belongs to branch B. H user belongs to H. So we have to tag the user with the branches. So a user will log in, and only the branch will open according to the user login. In case of online model, let me show you the report. So this is my sales report. See, all the sale transactions are showing, and now I want to filter filter the report of any branch. So let me select the branch A only. See, only branch A sales will show. You can compare the stock also. So you have to go in display, stock status, columnar report, and see, we can select the branches and see all the branch columns are showing, and we can view the stock of all the branch, HO, branch A, branch B. This is the online model. Comes to the offline model. So this is my offline model company, and let me log in. Admin and A. So in case of offline model, you have to create a new company at a HO location, at a server location, at server system, and you have to configure the settings. So first you have to go in administration, configuration, feature and options, click on enterprise feature, and enable the same feature, enable multi-branch detail. After specifying why, this button will show you and branch details. Click on this option, and you have to create all the branches one by one. Branch A, branch B, HO. The configuration is same like online model, but in case of offline model, you have to enable this feature also. The last option is enable HOBO data sync. This option you have to enable, and after enabling this option, these option will show you our status. So you have to select as head office, because this is head office location. So you have to select this head office option and click on configuration. After clicking on configuration, you have to enable the sync option. So this option you have to sync, and you have to provide the rights of branch in this window. This is branch A and this is branch B. So you have to enable this option, data sync. And after enabling this option, save the settings, save the configuration, and you have to go in branch office. Suppose this is my branch office location, busy, and see, two companies are there, branch A and branch B. Branch A, let me log in. User is A, and you have to go in administration, configuration, feature and options, and go in enterprise feature. See, enable the last option, enable HOBO data sync, but you have to select branch office at the branch office location, at the branch office company, and click on the configuration option, and you have to specify the static IP here of the server's data, service SQL, and the password of SQL of a server system, company code of HO company, branch user, branch name. These details you have to specify here, and click on the read or head office configuration, and click the save button. Save the configuration. So this configuration you have to do at BO location, and after that you can see, go in data export import, and these three options appears. Exchange data with HO, reconciliation, BO data with HO, bulk data updation to HO. These three options appears, and now let me create a transaction. So this is the sales transaction. Only a branch A series are showing, and let me create the transaction like in cash. This is my transaction. Apply the tax and save the voucher. After creating the transaction in offline model at BO office, you have to send the data. So you have to click on this option, exchange data with HO. See, sales is one. Click on send data to HO. You have to use this button, and after syncing the data from BO location, you have to receive the data at HO location. Let me show you the option. So this is my HO company. Go in data export import, receive data from BO. This feature, this option you have to use. Now see, is showing. After clicking on this option, you can receive the data from BO. See, this this transaction will show after syncing. So in case of offline model, you have to sync the data, and in case of online model, data will sync automatically. Data will show immediately. Data will reflect immediately in case of online model. But for if you are using offline model, then you have to send the data from BO office, and you can receive the data at HO from the BO. Then data will reflect. So this is the comparison, and for connectivity, you have to purchase static IP in both cases, in online and online model. For connectivity, you have to use static IP and SQL database at head office, and access or SQL database you can use. You can use any database at a branch office in case of offline model. So this is the comparison of HO and BO management online and versus offline model. For further assistance, call to our help desk. 24/7 help desk help center is available, and contact details you can view on my screen. 5x82 you can dial, and support@visit.in. This is our email ID of help desk. Thank you for joining this webinar. I hope you understand the topic of today's session. I am requesting you, please share your feedbacks. Your feedback is valuable for us. After closing this webinar, a survey form will appear, and please give your rating. Thank you very much.